everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your language app. This chatbot will assist users in enhancing their vocabulary and practicing daily conversations. So whether you are an educator or an app developer, this chatbot is going to save your time. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional chatbot that can engage users effectively and enhance your app's overall learning experience. So let me take you towards my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot step by step. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your language app. So let's build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which can send daily phrase challenges to learners to boost language engagement. So whether you are a language tutor, app creator, or just love automation, this chatbot will boost engagement and help learners remember phrases faster. But firstly, I am going to show you the realistic work of chatbot. For that, let me take you towards my WhatsApp. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to type a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Let's type a message hello here. After entering the message, I am getting an automated reply that is hello, welcome to your Spanish tutor board. Choose your level to begin, and I am getting 3 buttons, that is beginner, intermediate and advanced. Now let's select beginner. Once I am selecting beginner, I am getting a message which consists of 3 words, and it is asking me whether I want to take a quiz or not. So now let's select yes, quiz me. After selecting yes, quiz me, it is providing me a question with 3 of the buttons. Now let's select first as our answer, and here it is providing me a message that I have chosen the correct option, and it is asking me whether I want to learn more or end the quiz. So now let's end this quiz here. Now let's enroll to our another option, that is intermediate. After selecting the intermediate, it is providing me a message and asking me to select the action according to these emojis. So now let's select option A as our answer. After selecting option A, it is providing me a reply that I have chosen the wrong answer. Now let's go through our third button, that is advanced. After selecting advanced, it is providing me a grammar challenge, and here we have to enter the correct answer. So now let's select option B as our answer. I have entered option B as my answer. Now I am getting a reply that my answer is correct. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create your own WhatsApp chatbot for your language app by using Pabbly Chatflow. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you have to visit its website. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you have to enter its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After entering the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see you are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, and if you are an existing user, you can just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, this page will appear in front of you, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. But for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow. In this Pabbly Chatflow app, you are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you can just click on access now. After accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see I have already added a WhatsApp number to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number. And on the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. The first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive our messages from our customer and provide them automated replies. After that, we are getting the feature that is contact. You can manage your contact list here. The next one is team queues. You can provide the team access here for managing the chatbot. The next one we are getting is templates. You can create your templates here. Now another one is broadcast. You can broadcast your messages here. And the next one we are getting is flows. Flows are the one which will help us to create our chatbot. The next option we are getting is settings. You can manage your settings according to you here. And the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click on get help. For creating a chatbot, you need to access flows. So just click on flows. Once you click on flows, this flow builder page will appear in front of you. And you can see I have already created many flows. For adding your own flow, you can just click on add flow button. After clicking on add flow, this page will appear in front of you. And here you are getting this flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just provide it here. And the name of the flow which I have created is how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your language app. On the flow start node, it is asking me to enter keywords. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter to start the chatbot. You can enter as many as keywords you want. Here I am going to to enter two keywords. Firstly, I have entered a keyword hi. Now I am going to enter another keyword, that is hello. Now in the flow start node, it is asking me to enter regex. So what are regex? Regex are the complex keywords a user can enter. And here we are getting the option for choose template. You can also add your templates here. If a user enters a keyword or send me a message, I want to provide them a welcome message. For that, you just have to drag and drop. And here you can see you are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message and templates. But for creating a message, you just have to click on text plus button. Once you click on text plus button, a message node will appear in front of you. Here you can provide the messages for your customer. Here I have entered a message for my customer and now I am going to create 3 buttons. For that, you just have to click on add button and enter the text of your first button. I have created my first button as beginner. Now I am going to create my second button, that is intermediate. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my second button. I have entered the text of my second button. Now I am going to create my third button. I have created my third button, that is advanced. Now if my user selects beginner, I want to provide them a message which consists of some word and I want to ask whether they want to take a quiz or not. For that, I will just drag and drop and select text plus button here. I have entered a message for my user which consists of 3 words and it is asking me whether they want to take a quiz or not. And now I am going to create 2 buttons. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my first button. I have created my 2 buttons. First one is yes quiz me and the another one is no skip for now. If a user selects yes quiz me, then I want to provide them a quiz question. For that, I will just drag and drop and select text plus button here. I have entered a quiz question for my user. Now I am going to create buttons as the answer. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my answer. I have created 3 buttons as the answer of the quiz. Now if the user selects the correct option, that is first option, I want to provide them a message. For that, I will just drag and drop and select text plus button. Here I have entered a message which displays that they have chosen the correct option. Now I am going to create 2 buttons for my user and ask them whether they want to learn more or end the quiz. For that, I will just click on add content and here you are getting the option for text plus button, so just select it and here you can enter the message and create 2 buttons for your user. Here I have entered a message for my user and created 2 buttons, that is learn more and end quiz. Now let's provide more options to our user by adding something in intermediate button. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button. Now here enter the message you want to send to your user. Here I have entered a message and asked them to guess the sentence by these emojis. So now let's create 2 buttons as our answer. For that, just click on add button and enter your answer. Here I have entered the message and created 2 buttons as the answer. Now if a user selects the wrong answer, I want to provide them a message that they are wrong. For that, you will just drag and drop and select text plus button here. If the user selects the wrong answer, I want to provide them a message, oops, it's wrong. Now if a user selects the right answer, then I will send them a message that they are right. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button. I have entered a message, yes, you got it right, if a user selects the right answer. Now let's enhance our advanced button. For advanced, I want to provide a grammar challenge to my user. For that, I will go to actions and here you can see you are getting the option for ask question. Once you click on ask question, this question node is appeared. Now let's connect this advanced button to our question node. Now let's enter a question for our user. You can see I have entered a question for my user. Now let's select contact custom fields. You can create your own contact custom fields. For that, you just have to go to settings and you can see you are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just create your contact custom fields by clicking on contact custom fields. Here I am going to select choice as my contact custom field and the format would be text. Now I want to provide a condition for my user. For that, I will go to actions and click on conditions here. Now here I want to provide a condition for my user that if they enter the right answer, I will send them a message that they are right. But if they enter the wrong answer, I will reply them with a message that they are wrong. For that, just connect this question node with the condition here. Now I am going to select condition as equal. Now we are going to select contact custom field as choice. And here the attribute value would be the answer. So let's enter our correct answer here. I have entered the answer here and now we are getting the option for true or false. If the user enter the correct answer, I will provide them a message that they are right. For that, I will just connect this true button with the message. Just drag and drop and select text plus button here. But what if the user entered the wrong answer? Then I will just drag and drop and select text plus button from the false button. Here I have entered a message if the user enters the false answer. So now you can see we have created our flow. You can also create your own chatbot for your business by creating a flow. Now for saving the flow, you just have to click on save. Once you click on save, a pop-up will appear in front of you that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now let me take you to my inbox section for showing you how we are receiving the messages from our user and how we are sending them the automated replies. For that, you just have to click on inbox. Once you click on inbox, this inbox section has appeared. Here you can see we are successfully receiving the messages from our user and our automated messages are successfully sent or delivered to our customers. So use Pabbly Chatflow now and create your own WhatsApp chatbot for your business. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly Chatflow and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.